What, dude? What, dude? What's going on here?
It won't let me apply a vinyl sheet.
What's going on, guys? So, out here at Andrew's house, I just got out of school. He just got out of work. So we're gonna be actually working on our livery design today. I've never designed a livery. I'm pretty sure he's never designed a livery. Actually in person, I mean on Forza, we do it like once a week. Like we try to work on the best thing that we can like once a week. We've been doing like different designs here and there, and if you guys have actually played Forza with us, you guys seen some of the designs. Thankfully, I've had a vinyl cutter for quite a while now, about like 2 years, so that's like what I've been able to like cut all the stickers and the decals that we have for us out. I mean, like I said, just trying to bring in some extra money so we can actually put money towards our builds. And then I've also, within time, ordered tons and tons of like little squares to kind of see like exactly what colors I want to go with. So I have basically any and every color like ever made in vinyl. So it's pretty wild. And then we have more red chrome coming in tomorrow. So, but I got gold, I got everything. So basically this is just a Silhouette Cameo 3 here. You can get this on Amazon. It's a 12 by 12 vinyl cutter. And then once you get that, you actually have access to Silhouette Studio. And that's basically how you can like design whatever you want to do for your designs or whatnot. Over the time, like I said, I've been trying to get as much vinyl in colors and shades as much as I possibly can. And I learned a little trick that the Silhouette Cameo is actually only able to cut a 12 by 12 square. But the trick is that someone actually found out a way where you can cut 12 inches wide and 10 feet long. So that's huge for us because like our livery is not going to be anything crazy, but it's going to be enough. We need something long, be able to be long enough for like our lines that we're going with. And it's pretty sweet because you can actually choose any shape, any kind of design on Google. You can just find a shape and trace it into Studio, and then the cutter will actually cut that out. We're gonna go out to Andrew's car and kind of match up the colors that we've already been kind of messing around with. Like we have like gray, we have like gold chrome, black, white, a whole bunch of stuff. And then what's pretty sweet is that I still have this roll from way back that it's actually pre-cut. So someone actually sawed this in half. It used to be a big long roll and someone sawed it in half. So this is basically like the thickness of the lines that we're kind of going with, or we can determine if we want a little bit thicker or thinner by going off of this. So let's go out to his car and check it out, and we're gonna kind of just see what colors are gonna be looking good and matching with the red chrome, and we're gonna go from there.
Ciao everyone.
That's how we have to get into the garage now. Nah, I'm just kidding. Damn. Damn, it looks so freaking good. Like, I haven't seen it in so long.
Yeah.
It looks so freaking good. Word. And you got your new bumper. Tell, what is that? What bumper? From JP Fiberglass, right?
Yeah, the rip-off of the like Origin Racing Line bumper, basically.
Sure.
So it's got like the built-in diffuser, and yeah.
Fire.
On there, we just gotta get it wrapped up.
Fire. Hell yeah. Looks like he's working on some other 3M crap that he's got going there.
Oh, yeah, just getting cleaned up in the garage. You know?
But yeah, and then he did some work on the hood or the roof. So basically what happened with the roof was when we were bringing the car back, for some reason the vinyl wasn't adhering to the roof, so it kind of just ripped off the roof. So he just went around and like did his like own little like magic on it, and it looks pretty freaking dope as well. We're gonna lay out the colors here. So we have like a brushed aluminum, a brushed gold aluminum, then we have like a lighter gray, a gold, a black, a gold chrome, a darker gray, and then like a gloss white. So we're laying all those out. He's got the gloss white right now that he's laying out here, and we're gonna start working with this. Okay, so we laid down the first like stripe, basically what we're gonna do. So this isn't what we're gonna be running, is like just a white straight line. We're not running that. We're gonna have like the cutter etch into like edges and make it sharp or whatever, like whatever design we're gonna do. But we were just measuring up the length really quick. So basically Andrew wants to run it along this body line here, and it's gonna come down over the fender, down all the way to the side skirt. So we made a cut for this piece here, and then we did basically the mirror cut, reverse cut for this one, for that side. And it's like basically when you make this cut like this, the next piece of vinyl that you're gonna have is gonna have the exact same cut, because we're doing like a reverse livery on that side. So going OG.
Nice and easy.
Yep. So we did that. So now so what we're doing, we know that we're gonna go with white. That was like the main plan. I know for a fact that we were gonna go gloss white. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of work with the white for right now to see like kind of shapes and angles, what we're gonna do, and then go from there. And then we have been matching this up like kind of down next to. So I'm pretty sure we're going gloss black too. Like that's, I'm pretty sure a thing. It's more so like what we're gonna do with the gray. Either we're gonna go with like a lighter gray or darker gray. That's where we're kind of on the toss up right now.
We're gonna lay out this white basically as our center point. And then what I usually do in Forza is just take the same actual stripe and I'll go, you know, up and down from the door and the window and the rear quarter. And we'll just kind of overlay it and space it out until it looks about right and how, you know, we kind of like it.
Yeah.
And then after we got all these white ones basically laid out, we'll tape it on the car, see how it looks, and then we can start getting into which ones are going to be what color.
Yeah.
So this is just like the general start. We'll cut a few more of these, put them in place, and we'll start messing around with shapes and colors.
Yeah, and then we have an idea with this. So we're going to be doing like little diamond shape kind of things with the actual chrome gold. That's crazy, dude. Look at me. You can see me.
It's so bright.
What up? I don't even have my, look, you guys can tell I don't even have my freaking tripod right now. What's up? Use your artistic brain, bro. So we just ran this piece here. It already looks dope with just 2 lines. Like.
Yeah, right? Dude, just wait till we get some more color
I know.
in there. It's gonna clean it up.
It's gonna be sick.
So yeah, we're gonna try and add another line. Probably coming up the back, following the same kind of slant here. So we'll work with the rear bumper, maybe onto the quarter, something like this. And then maybe we can have another slash coming down in between, kind of cut off the lux a little right in here. That would be cool. So that might be just what we're aiming for here then. So we'll do from tip, pan over, and then a little slice on the trunk and end something like there. Goes with the rest of our lines.
So it's been a lot of actual testing and trying to figure out exactly what we're going to try to do with the vinyl cutter, and like testing like shapes and lengths. Like you can see we're kind of jimmying stuff up to try it out, but as you can see we have some different shapes that we've tested out. Got all these on the slider, but we've worked on this. It actually looks fire. It actually looks fire.
Well, I should do this part, yeah.
Just it.
Money.
Yeah, that's donk.
That's dope.
That's donk sauce. Right
That's
there.
donk. That's donk. We
One more
learning.
time.
And then what we did is we also made like a outline cut, which we got a little idea for. I don't know if we're gonna, you might have to cut the.
Yeah, I'm definitely have to.
I mean, it doesn't really
pop
matter
sauce,
because this is
but-
gonna be for what's it called anyways.
Yeah, the window.
So try it. Jesse's gave us a couple ideas. Andrew's been throwing some ideas. I've been throwing some ideas. So I think the best bet, what we're going to do now is like we literally just went through and just tested a couple different pieces, couple different sketches, whatnot. What we're going to have to do is what Jesse said is no joke, just print out like a ton of different shapes and like sizes and such, and then kind of just like plug and play. We're just going to kind of
Fit them into each of the gaps and even it out and make it look all nice as we can.
Yeah, and then from there we can always take. I mean, like we can. It's so easy to literally take this off. So that's what we're gonna do. We have our colors in mind, so we're set on our colors. So we're good with that. We're set with like what's gonna be an accent, what's gonna actually be what. But yeah, so I mean that's the plan. That's the game plan. I just want to give you guys a rundown on Andrew's car since you guys got to see mine. So Andrew's is all done, all finished, looking flossy. But yeah, so like I said, this was like a little DIY for you guys on like how to kind of start creating a livery. Obviously, I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on whatever we do. Every step of the way, you guys are going to see how our livery is going to come out, and hopefully by the season, we're going to be all set and ready to rip. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want to see any of our DIY videos or drifting videos, click one of these two right here, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.